Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I bet that if you are a content creator, you should have like a 20 minutes or 10 or 15 minutes video sitting on your hard disk, and you should be turning this into shorts for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube short. But the thought of scrambling through all the footage, finding the good parts, cutting them manually, you just don't have that time. CapCut just added a feature that automatically within 2 minutes turn all your videos into short. You don't even need to do it manually. The AI scans through your entire video and finds the best moment and chunks them into multiple ready to post clips. So I'll be walking you how to do that on PC today. So follow me step by step. Don't skip any part. So let's get started. When you open your CapCut PC app software, you will see long video to shorts. You don't click on create new projects. No. Although if you click on create new project, that's if you have a long project. After you are done exporting, you will still see at the back end of after you're done exporting. But we already have a video clip or that we just want to work on. So all we need to do is to click on the long video to shorts and we wait for the interface to load. Yeah, so you can get the clip from your Google Drive, you can get it from Dropbox, you can get it from Space, but I will be dragging, or you can just click on here to get it from your file, but I will be dragging it and dropping from my PC. There is this free user common video I got from YouTube, and that's what we'll be using for this. So it will load, and when it's done loading, so let's wait for it to load. Okay, now it's done loading and we can choose whether it's less than 30 seconds, whether it's within 30 and 60 seconds, within 90 and 60 and 90 seconds, or within 90 to 30 minutes. It depends on you. So we'll be going for 60 to 30 seconds. You click on it. Then the capture, you choose what kind of capture you want. The template, there are a lot of templates here. So let's just go for this one. You can just go, if there is no one that you like here, you can click on this to expand the capture. Keep clicking and until you see something that you love. But I will let's go for, okay, let's use this. So we've clicked on it, then we will have to click on convert. If you want a specific language or just whatever you want, maybe a moment in your video that you want to be captured, you can type it in here. So we click on convert and let's allow CapCut to do its magic. So CapCut is done with cutting them into shots, and you can see that it have taken what we call the trending, the ones that are the best moments in the video. And for example, let's check this one. So you could see that it took the best moment, the moment that is captivating from the video and cut them into shots. This one is 24, this one is 26, this one is 20, this one is 23 minutes. So when you're done, all you just need to do is hit on export and it will be exported to your PC. And if you want to edit it, you can click on edit and adjust the timeline, adjust everything as it pleases to you. So that will be it for today. I hope you got some value. Till next time, happy creating.